So I just got back to work from the NCECA conference. Brought home a pottery wheel from Batui, ceramic company in Jingdezhen, China. They asked me to give it a review. Bat pin's already installed. Plastic. There we go. Really tightly machined. Oh, I will say that's pretty nice. It's got integrated magnets. Okay, so let's get another view of that. And we get a magnet closure just like that. So first off, I'm already impressed with that from a teaching perspective. So in my classroom, I've got a bunch of Brents, and the splash pans are the challenge I run into most with the students. It's pretty cool. So here you go. There's the big Allen key. There's the smaller one. So first thing I noticed, these set screws have a lock washer integrated into it. That way they're not going to work themselves loose over time. Okay, so there's the holes. The adjustable height, that was on the low setting. So I made sure not to get them cross-threaded, not going in super easily. Let's move on to the foot pedal. It's pretty lightweight. It has this grip on it. There's a tread. But there's the plug-in. Plug that guy in. But let me go ahead and get these legs extended the rest of the way, and we'll try it out, see how it actually performs. So this will be the 1-year review on the BTH wheel. It's been at the high school where I teach and now at a community studio, and we've got a few notes, but overall pretty successful. So let's dive into those notes. First is here the deck of the wheel. The splash pan works great, no issues there. Magnet closure held up fine, but the actual deck, if there's any spills or tools with no lip, the tools have a tendency to roll off, or if water spills, it just rolls off onto the floor. Whereas the Brents have this lip here. You know, it's just day-to-day use note, not a problem with the actual function. And then the other note was here, the foot pedal is fine, but with as steep of an angle when you go to set your foot down, and if it's on concrete, there's this slide that happens. And so a little bit of a heavier foot pedal or a shallower angle of approach on that foot pedal would kind of reduce that. Other than that, the cord down here comes apart kind of easily. For moving it around, it comes unplugged. It's not hardwired into the machine. But overall, a pretty satisfactory beginner's wheel. I'm still, of course, partial to Scutz, but if this is in your budget, at least this one here is worthwhile. It's nice. Again, a few notes, but other than that, pretty good.